amigos. Hola amigos. ¿No? Hola amigos, yo soy Nati y bienvenidos a mi canal. I'm Nati and welcome to my channel. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre la naturaleza. La naturaleza is nature. So Avery and I are going to go on a little adventure and check out some nature. And we'll talk about what they're called in Spanish. And then we'll come back here and I'll teach you some sign language that goes with those words in Spanish. And maybe we'll play a game, okay? Vámonos! Let's go!
It's a beautiful day for a walk. Do you like to go on walks? The first word we're going to learn is tree. Tree is árbol. And on every tree there are leaves. Leaves in Spanish is hojas. Look at these ducks. Ducks in Spanish is patos. Patos. River in Spanish is río. Can you say río? Avery loved the patos. Grass in Spanish is pasto. Pasto. And remember what tree is? Tree is árbol. There's lots of trees here. If there are lots of trees, we say árboles. These are geese. Geese in Spanish is gansos. Look, we found a flower. Flower in Spanish is flor. Flor. There's another one. When there's more than one, we say flores. What color are these flores? Las flores son amarillas. ¿Qué color son estas flores? What color are these flowers? Oh, do you see that bug buzzing around? That's a bee. Bee in Spanish is abeja. Abeja. Bzzz. Oh, look, there's another bee. When there's more than one bee, we say bees. In Spanish, we say abejas. Abejas. I love plants. Plants in Spanish is plantas. Plantas. Me gustan las plantas. There's the río again. Sky in Spanish is cielo. Cielo. And in the cielo you can see clouds. Clouds in Spanish is nubes. Nubes.
Okay, was that fun or what? I thought that was so fun. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about some of the sign language. Now I'm going to teach you some sign language to go along with those words, and I think it'll help you remember those words in Spanish too, okay? And remember, this sign language is a Mexican Spanish sign language. Okay, so the first word we're going to talk about is árbol. Árbol is tree, remember? Árbol. Can you do it? Do you remember the word for flower in Spanish? Muy bien. Flor. Put your hand like this. Flor. Flor. Pretend like you're smelling it. Flor. Muy bien. Okay, the word for plant in Spanish is planta. Planta. Put your hand like this. Planta. We also talked about clouds. Clouds is nubes. 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 Muy bien. Nubes. Excelente. Grass. Do you remember what grass is in Spanish? Do you remember? What's grass in Spanish? Pasto. Pasto. Muy bien. River in Spanish is río. Put your hand like this. Río. Río. The sky in Spanish is cielo, remember? Cielo's like this. Cielo. Cielo. Can you do it? Cielo. Cielo. Muy bien. Un aplauso. That means applause. Un aplauso. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a jugar un juego. Now we're going to play a game. ¿Quieres jugar? ¿O quieres tomar una siesta? Do you want to play or do you want to take a nap? I'm gonna go put her down for a nap and then we'll play a game, okay? I'll be right back. So a picture is going to appear here or here of a word that we learned today. And we have to race to say the word in Spanish and do the sign, okay? So let's see who can do it faster, you or me, all right? Okay, first picture. Oh, do you remember that one? A ver. Oh, flor. Flor. Did you remember the word? Good job. Did you remember the sign too? Wow. Excelente. You are smart. Okay, next one. Oh, I feel like that one was tricky. Oh yeah. Río. Río. Muy bien. Next one. Cielo. Cielo. Did you beat me? Okay. The word is nubes. What's the sign? Do you remember? Nubes. Nubes. Muy bien. Okay, last one. That one's easy. Árbol. Árbol. Excelente. Did you remember all of those? If you did, that is awesome. Okay, chicos, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you for going on that adventure with us and learning all about la naturaleza. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos, because next week another fun one is going to be coming out. All right, nos vemos luego. Adiós.